Welcome to our introductory video on proper diagnostic scanning of Nissan vehicles. Today we're going to go over how to prepare the vehicle for scanning, the actual scanning process, and recognizing diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. We'll show you the step-by-step scanning process to help return Nissan vehicles to their pre-loss condition, which ensures the vehicle's performance and safety. It is Nissan's stance that all vehicles receive a post-repair diagnostic scan to ensure all systems are communicating properly with no diagnostic trouble codes outstanding. It is also recommended that, where appropriate, a pre-repair scan also be completed for the same reasons. After we open the hood, we're going to want to identify where the battery is located. On this particular vehicle, the battery is easily accessible. However, on some vehicles, the battery may be under a cover under the hood, it may be in the trunk area, or it may be under the passenger seat. Again, on this particular vehicle, we're going to want to pay attention to the type of battery chemistry the vehicle has. On this vehicle, it is an EFB, which is an enhanced flooded battery. Some other vehicles may have AGM, which is absorbent glass mat batteries, or SLI, which is starting, lighting, and ignition. These are all different than the traditional batteries that you may be familiar with, the standard flooded batteries. With these new types of batteries, you're going to want to use a smart charger, and we're going to connect the battery charger now. To perform a diagnostic scan, Nissan recommends the use of the Nissan Consult diagnostic tool. Nissan hasn't validated the use of generic scan tools and are not certain that they read all vehicle system information and diagnostic trouble codes. Now let's go connect the scanner. After you've connected the battery smart charger, you'll go ahead and enter the vehicle and connect the diagnostic equipment. The first piece of diagnostic equipment that you're going to connect is called the vehicle interface, or VI. The VI is connected to the data link connector, which is found underneath the dash. After you've connected the VI, you will open up your Panasonic Toughbook and click on the Consult 3 Plus software application. After you've connected the software application and opened it, the first thing you're going to want to check is the battery voltage in the upper right-hand corner. If the vehicle voltage is below 12.6, you'll want to connect the battery smart charger, which we had done in a previous step. After you'd opened the Consult diagnostic software, select Diagnose All Systems. Now you may select Diagnose one system if you know exactly what you're looking for in the vehicle systems. However, a best practice is to select all systems. At this point, the vehicle information is being read by the diagnostic machine. It's reading the VIN number and should automatically populate. If it doesn't, you can manually enter the vehicle VIN information. On this particular vehicle, it is a 2018 Kicks, and the vehicle VIN information has been pulled up for you to confirm on the vehicle. After all the control units have been read, any DTC information will populate on the All System Call screen, shown here. On this particular vehicle, we show a one-trip misfire code. With the misfire code, we can check freeze frame data, and we can look at vehicle mileage when the incident first occurred, and various other information that was stored in the control unit. A lot of generic scan tools don't have this type of information for you to diagnose the vehicle. If you have a DTC that isn't currently present, you can go into the control unit, and through Data Monitor, you can monitor sensor information while you drive the vehicle. This is something that's different than a generic scan tool that will help you diagnose the issue effectively. Another difference between the Nissan scan tool and a generic scan tool is the Active Test tab. Within the Active Test tab, we can turn on specific control units and sensors within the vehicle. For example, fuel injection. We can go in and turn on and off fuel injection parameters that you can't do with a generic scan tool. After we've completed the repair, we will erase the DTC information, disconnect the diagnostic equipment, and then take the vehicle out for a road test to verify the effectiveness of the repair. Some DTCs may require you to come back into the shop and do a second post-system scan to verify the effectiveness of the repair. This concludes our demonstration on how to perform a diagnostic scan on Nissan vehicles. Please reference Nissan's electronic service manuals on Nissan Tech Info for full diagnostic code details, as well as Nissan's position statement on pre- and post-repair scanning.